YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird seed feeder. So we're going to need coconut oil. That's pretty much $9, pretty expensive. So we're going to put it in this pot and then we're going to mix it. So we're going to turn on this. So when you finish, it has to be clear and all melted. So I'm going to wait for that. And then we finish. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it over here. So I'm gonna put coconut melted, that's melted, and then I'm gonna put bird seed. And then I'm gonna put, then you could use minced peanuts, like crush them, or you could use breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna use breadcrumbs. I'm gonna put 3 of these. So, and then I'm gonna mix this. Everything has to be like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use shape cutters and we're gonna put butter on the sides. I got the heart, and it has to be big and buff, sorry. And then you're gonna put the bird seed in it. And there it is. Now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the stick through it. To put the string in it. I'm gonna put a stick so the birds can stand on. I'm gonna put this stick through it. And I'm gonna take the figure out. I'm gonna tie this. And the birds are gonna be on that stick and they're gonna be hanging on and eating it.